Over 500 billion plastic bottles are produced every year. That is more than 15,000 every single second. But almost no one knows where they come from, or the extraordinary industrial journey that begins deep underground in an oil field. PET, polyethylene terephthalate, is the plastic in most clear bottles, and its journey starts at an oil refinery, where crude oil is distilled and cracked into lighter fractions, naphtha and ethylene among them. From naphtha, paraxylene is produced. From paraxylene, purified terephthalic acid, PDA. From ethylene, monoethylene glycol, MEG. PDA and MEG are the two building blocks of PET. In a polymerization plant, they are combined and reacted to form long polymer chains, PET in its molten form. The melt is extruded and cut into small transparent chips. At the bottle factory, PET resin chips arrive by tanker truck and are pneumatically pumped into large storage silos. But PET has a critical weakness. It absorbs moisture. And moisture in PET during processing causes the molecular chains to break.
Color values are within range.
Hydrolytic degradation, destroying the mechanical
measures
properties of the bottle.
0.80.
So before
All
any
specs
processing
are within
begins,
limits.
every batch of PET is dried for at least 6 hours at 170 degrees in specially designed dryer hoppers with dehumidified air. The dew point of the drying air must reach -40 degrees. Only then is the resin ready to be processed. The dried PET chips are fed into the injection molding machine. Inside the barrel, a rotating screw melts the chips and builds up a shot of melt under the screw. Then the screw acts as a plunger, injecting the melt at high speed and pressure into the preform mold. Modern preform molds have 96 or even 128 cavities, producing 96 preforms every 10 seconds. Each preform looks like a small test tube with a finished bottle neck at the top. It contains all the material for the finished bottle in a compact, easy-to-transport form. Every preform is checked by a vision system, looking for contamination, short shots, and dimensional errors. The neck finish must be perfect, because it will never be reheated or reformed. The cap must fit perfectly every time.
The moisture content is 18 ppm. Confirmed.
Camera inspection. Preform check. System.
Inspection confirms the aluminum mold precision is within tolerance. The cavity surface is flawless. Base insert inspection. Petaloid design. Mold precision. Quality.
Level camera. Inspection. Fill level confirm. Rejection for underfill.
Tray packer. Bottle loading into tray. Shrink over tray. Pack complete. This bottle enters the recycling bin, heading to the facility to be crushed and reused, completing the circular economy.